When it comes to pricing your social media management services, there's a dedicated balance to be struck. On one hand, you want to be competitively priced so that you can win clients, but on the other hand, you also don't want to undervalue your services and end up working for pennies. Even though there's no clear-cut right or wrong price point, your rate is going to depend on the following factors. First of all, what are your average hourly rates? Now, this depends on the experience, but in general, just to give you an idea, for an entry-level social media manager, it's usually about $15 to $50 an hour. For an intermediate level social media manager, it's about $50 to $100 an hour. An advanced level social media manager charges about $120 to $200 per hour. Okay, next, what is your client's scope of work? Or in another word, what are your packages or services that you're providing? Genuinely speaking, the bigger the scope, the higher the price point. For example, if you're just going to be posting content and responding to comments and DMs, you mostly need to charge less than if you're also going to be developing and executing an entire social media marketing strategy, doing content creation, and managing influencer campaigns. Then don't forget to factor overhead or internal cost into your pricing structure. For example, can you increase the rate by hiring an expert? What tools and softwares would you need to get the job done? Would you need an office, supplies, and your own marketing? Once you answer all of these questions, your rate is gonna roughly look like this. Your average hourly rate times the numbers of hours you need to complete your service plus your overhead or internal cost. Okay, lastly, test your new pricings with prospects and current clients. Pay attention to the feedback that you're getting. You wanna hit that sweet spot where a few people still think that you're too pricey. By the way, this should always happen. But half or more of your prospects are certainly a yes. So to sum it all up, there's really no one size fits all answer. So use these steps that I just talked about to determine what you should charge for your social media management services. And when you experience growing pains in a year or so, don't worry, just reevaluate and start the process all over again.